Hello everybody, this is Helena and today we're going to begin topic 7 in TEP023 and that is our first algebra topic, and we begin with the language of algebra. So we're going to start by looking at what we mean by an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a collection of terms that are added and subtracted. For instance, 3x squared plus xy minus 5y is an algebraic expression. The first term is 3x squared. The second term is xy. The third term is 5y. 3x squared means 3 times x times x. Notice we've put it in brackets because if you remember order of operations, even if the brackets weren't there, we need to evaluate 3x squared before we can add it to the next term, which is x times y. And again, x times y needs to be evaluated before it can be added to 3x squared. But of course we don't know what x or y is. And then we still have subtract 5 times y. Now, the x and the y are known as pronumerals. They are written in place of a number because the number is not known, or maybe it can vary. That's why the pronumeral can often be referred to also as a variable. The coefficient is the number in front of the pronumeral. For instance, 3 in front of 3x squared, 5 in front of 5y. It can be positive or negative. For instance, we could also say that the coefficient of negative 5y is negative 5. So basically the coefficient is the number that is multiplied by the pronumerals. And the term, well, we began with that one, the term can be either a single number or a collection of pronumerals and numbers which are multiplied or divided. So 3x squared is a term of our algebraic expression. So let's have a look at it in more detail. We've got 3x squared. Let's just get it steady. So 3x squared. 3 is the coefficient. There's only one variable here, it's x. Can also call it the pronumeral, and the whole term is 3x squared, and it means 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x. When we look at the term xy, it doesn't appear to have a coefficient. But because we've got an xy, that means we've got one xy, so the coefficient is implied and it is 1. In this case there are two pronumerals or variables, x and y. xy is the term and it means x multiplied by y. In negative 5y, so I'm looking at the term as though it is a negative term, negative 5y. Negative 5 is the coefficient. Y is the variable or the pronumeral. Negative 5y is the term and it means negative 5 multiplied by y.